Asir, go live. Yeah. Good morning, Basima ji. You are welcome for briefing session of Smart India Hackathon 2020. Problem statement MS 331. And this
Thank you so
problem,
much.
yeah, it deals with the designing a system to capture face, expression, and gestures of targeted person, that is criminal and their associates, through distributed CCTV system. And when we talk of the CCTV system, we mean IoT devices as well, and maintaining it in a database along with the time and location stamp. The database so compiled to be used to identify suspects from clips of crime-related CCTV footage captured through the series of CCTV systems located either in criminal clusters or hotspots or maybe en route, right?
Okay, sir.
So uh, basically, we have to appreciate what we are expecting from students. There had been many sessions. The first session was held for 3 days to explain them that what is really expected. Then there was another session for the doubt resolution also, and they have been advised to see this video also, so that they can see that what is really how the evaluators are being briefed. And here I would like to stress upon that the role of the evaluator is here is not like a educational institution where we try to judge the capacity of a person. Here our attitude has to be more of mentoring like, so that they can come out with the solution or they can design or devise solutions which should be best fitted to our requirement. So that is the one basic deviation which we have to understand, that our mentality while assessing is to really mentor them. And by mentoring them, how best we can help them so that they can help us in devising solutions to us. Now I will elaborate that what is my expectations from them and how exactly they have to do. So basically, this will be a most important attribute, the face and expression, and this will be providing and identifying a criminal for rest lot many attributes. So if you talk of the other problem statement, somebody is focusing on clothes, somebody is focusing on vehicle, somebody is focusing on baggage and accessories, somebody is focusing on basically body mass distribution, gestures, and other things. So most important part that this problem statement would be doing, because then criminal will be identified and he will be matched with the CCTVNS database, and the purpose of this module is to capture facial details, including expressions, including gestures, and those we will try to get 360 degree of each one of them, right? So that we may not be getting in one go, since majority of the data capturing it will be happening in a criminal cluster. Majority of the data capturing would be happening in criminal cluster. So criminal has to go to their residence and they have to come out with out of their residence, whether to commit crime or for any other purpose. So we will be having n number of opportunity rather on the daily basis to capture their faces, to capture their activity, to capture their expression, to capture their gestures. Then we would be in position to do the same while they will be en route or they might be closer to the horse spot. So there will be three sources. But the main database building will be happening when they will be either going inside the cluster, that is on their own residences, or they are coming out of the cluster. And this is a something like a building of a character. So that technology can play a role when data is incomplete. Because when we are handling any basically what we can say, a real life situation. In real life situation, criminal will try to befool us to the extent possible. They will try to cover their face. They will try to do so. Even whether we can detect a person from sight, whether we can detect a person from ear, whatever is visible, can we make out who is he? Number one. And then since other modules, they are working on clothes, they are working on their body mass distribution, they are working on their baggages, they are working on their accessories. अब जैसे जुम करिए कि मान लो अंगूठी अंगूठी पहने हुए हो, and the same anguti we could locate over there, so that will become an additional help to recognize a person. So when so many attributes will be captured and will be stored in a database, our technology is going to play a very smart role. It will be doing a much better role than in any other part of the world. Basically, our way, the way we are designing our system, this bound to be superior to anybody else, right? So, as I said, in various cases, we have to capture the face. And when we say the face, we mean to see, say, even paying attention on the ears, paying attention on the nose, paying attention on the mustache, paying attention on the hairstyle, paying attention on forehead, paying attention on cheek. Rather, we can even maintain these attributes separately. So face is one and facial attributes could be the second. So that when we are encountering part face, still we can do reasonably smart job. Rather, our algorithm could be to even whether we can do the part comparison when we do not have a full face. So, if we could do that, so there could be some an identification of that attributes, and coupled with identification of clothes, coupled with the identification of accessories, coupled with the identification of vehicle, even associates and accessories, baggage and accessories, probably technology will not miss out anything. So, Basima ji, are you? Whatever I have explained to you, could you absorb it properly, and would you please clarify or summarize it in your own words? That will help me to understand that you have
Yes.
properly understood it.
Yes, sir. I have understood it. As you said that in this particular problem definition, the project or the software should be able to should be able to identify the faces as well as identify the expressions of the criminals, and this is done by taking various different different images at different point of time. And the another thing which you have point out is that in addition to capturing, in addition to taking look and capturing the data of the whole face, will be giving emphasis on specific parts of the face like nose or eyes or lips or something, so that will be a step ahead of identifying and understanding what are the expressions, and then accordingly we'll be able to do our job.
Here, one thing I would like to clarify, this part that we will be paying attention on the sub part of a face or various attribute of a face, that I had not explained earlier. Hence, this expectation has to now, this will be the additional expectation which now we are putting on students. Which
Yes,
we have
sir,
not.
but this could be done, and I think deep learning and
Deep learning will
convolution
be
neural
doing a smart job
network.
for that. Yeah.
Yeah, and convolution neural network will be very much capable of doing this thing which we have discussed just now about the parts of the face. So I think that could be done.
Here, whenever we are capturing a face, uh, we would like to protect that with the date and time and location stamp also. So we would come to know, and whenever we will get the better face or better the same, we will keep on substituting it, because this will not be having any direct relevance with any crime. because it is not a evidence. At the most, it could be evidence that at this point of the time he was going out of his house. Then if he could complete his journey that he was caught en route also, so we will say he was on this vehicle and he was expected to be there at before any node, and he reached there. So we will say this is confirming our hypothesis. So we
Sir,
can,
the data
yeah.
which we are going to use for this particular purpose, the images and the recordings of the criminal. So this data will be the data which will get of the criminals, of the suspects, I should say, right? Is it the
Basically, I will explain.
yeah,
Basically, we are already having historical data of criminals. We are
yeah,
having their photographs, right? So this face will be linked to that photographs or the criminal we are already having. So once we could link it successfully, then we will be linking it with the whole criminal record also, because that whole database is available for that, right? Now this is the extension of that person about the facial attributes. So here, first of us, we are building our database about a person. We are building database about, say, your particular problem statement will be more focusing on face part of it. But there are other problem statement, those who are focusing on clothes, on vehicle, on baggage and accessories. So those kind of things. So ultimately, in same database, all these things will be this face will be at least attached with a criminal. So is true about his clothes, and so is true about vehicle, so it's about the baggage. In your case, you are not encountering any what we can say frequency kind of thing. In other cases, we are even counting their frequencies. They say if
no,
somebody
sir.
is wearing a
I,
cloth, so when he repeated the same cloth next time,
Yeah, that I
at
understood.
what,
I was just
yeah.
asking that the data which we are going to use, those data will be images or video, right? So that data will be, that data will be the data which is stored previously of the criminals that you are already having, or it will be of some suspect which is not predetermined criminal at present.
I will put it this way, that the data which would be available with us, that will be very little, right? Then what we can do, we can request to build the database by requesting police if they are having some database with them, or whether they have acquired during some investigation. Then we will building on that historical database also, or with that those videos and clips. But at the moment, those videos and clips, they are not available in any database. They may be available with the individual police station, may be available in a control room, and they may not be properly collated and connected also.
So this during this process evaluation process, the data will not be the real time data, right? The students need to take their own data. Is it the thing?
Here it is very simple. They can take into account any live जो है feed available to them, right?
Okay.
And and
Any available
and and
data, right?
and for the sake of simplicity, they will treat कि whosoever is passing through, he is a criminal or associates, right?
Oh,
Now you capture the various things and make a database, and then you
okay.
can and you can show it that how then you would be using it in the reverse way.
So we are expecting the students to do it on for video or for a set of images.
Basically, we can use the live CCTV feed available,
Okay. So that is a
right?
clip or video.
So what I will do, I will put at the center. I had a dialogue with the VC yesterday. So I will share the contact detail of Dr. Sanjay Kumar, and I will request him that that kind of the feed should be made available, because that would be required, right? And you can even make the request also that purposefully that more people may move before various CCTVs, and various cameras and how that data is extracted and then it is put up in a database. So it will be, let me clarify the various attributes. Number one, feed is available. We will treat that it is a feed from a criminal cluster. That is the number one assumption. Number two assumption would be we will treat that whosoever is passing, for the sake of simplicity, they are all criminals or they are associate. So whether any professor is moving for the software, he or she will be a criminal, right? Now presuming that how this CCTV, how we are extracting and building our database, right? And then in reverse, how effectively we will be using it when we will be getting feed from root or we will be getting feed from hotspot. If we are lucky to have some cameras closer to hotspot. And if not now, in future, since a lot many nodes will be coming, hence we will be having better and higher density of nodes everywhere, including around the hotspots. Rather, we are having a plan that even we can come out with some kind of the subsidies. So the people, those who are want to put the CCTV node around in an area which is preferred by us, we can give them some kind of subsidy also. That is doable, right? Number one, they are getting a huge revenue stream because they will be getting almost two revenue stream which will be coming to the volunteers and to basically not only the volunteers but the owner of the device. So owner of a device may be a private person or maybe a owner of a company or maybe the owner of a startup who has taken the task of putting these nodes. And it will be done under triple P model. Since a lot of money will be coming, hence I am of the view that there will be a lot of competition and everybody would like to put their node because they would be in position to recover the cost in 3 to 6 months. And after 6 months, there will be pure profit which will be flowing from those nodes. So any company would like to have n number of nodes so that to maximize their own profit. And it is not that we are feeling envious that why they are earning so much. We want to distribute wealth just like that. We would like they should earn as much as possible. So in our concept, we are having stream to the faculty, stream to institution, because I want a time has come when wealth should flow in India. Wealth will be flowing just like a river, just like water. And everybody in India...
So the students are supposed to gather or capture the expressions, just gather or capture the expressions, or they're supposed to link those expressions with some kind of, some kind of output from it. Like if the expression is like this, then it will be more closer to be, that person will be more closer to be a criminal or something like that. Or just they just need to gather or capture the expressions.
See, I will put it in a hierarchy. The first thing is to capture things and put as a database, right?
Okay.
Without assigning any value. First, having the database, having the information, having the expressions, having face, having various attributes of the...
So you're not audible to me.
Am I audible now?
Yeah.
Hello?
Now you're audible.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay. So, what I intend to say is, first of us, we will be confronting ourselves to gather primary data. So, what is the primary data? There is some movement is taking place. We are extracting face and we are collaborating this face with someone. For the sake of simplicity, say when the CCTV feed is available over there, we will request a university if they can provide the name and other detail or some kind of the database they must be having, because they will be the employees or somebody of the university, right? So their database must be available. So whether we can link those photos to the database of that university. Okay?
Yeah.
That is one of. Somebody is making call and I am speaking through video. Hello.
Sir,
Hello.
your voice is not coming.
I will exit and I will rejoin. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Am I audible now? Okay. So basically, my problem was somebody was making a call. That's why there was this kind of disturbance. So I just blocked him, and I thought probably that is the only way out because he's unable to understand that I am disconnecting him. So basically, what you should do as a evaluator, and I will also make a request to them. The feed would be available of that very university, their own CCTV, right? Now they are having the database of their own person, whether they are professor, teacher, a student, whosoever. Now we should be in position to connect this photograph with an individual, and whatever the database we are having, we will treat it that is the database of a criminal, or your attendance or your subject, they will be treated as a tribute of that criminal. For the sake of simplicity, for the sake of just approximation. Now this feed will be linked to that particular person of the database, right? Now various attributes of faces, expressions, gestures, they have to be captured and properly staked into the database, right? That is the level 1 work. When you could do the level 1 work, then you can graduate yourself to the level 2 work. What is the level 2 work? When you are assigning a meaning. तो प्रोफेसर साहब खुश हैं या दुखी हैं, प्रोफेसर साहब जल्दी में हैं या उसमें हैं, प्रोफेसर साहब फ्रस्ट्रेटेड हैं या प्रोफेसर साहब जो ना मोटिवेटेड हैं, वो जो है अभी कहीं क्लास से झल्ला के आए हुए हैं या ही इज इन ए लाइव मूड. सो द सेकंड स्टेज वुड बी assigning the value to that input, right? Later on जो है we will calibrate it for the criminal activity. अभी तो जो अवेलेबल फीड होगी उसी को हम वैसा ही कैलिब्रेट करेंगे, right? Because if it could do here, it will do there also. There can be no doubt about it, right?
Yeah, sure.
So basically, this will make our job very, very simple. If we could do this here, we can do that for the criminals also. Rather, we will be having more specialized जो है expression when it will be for the criminals, because the they way shout, the they way abuse, there will be lot many attributes which will be very, very peculiar to criminals. So here also there will be very peculiar attributes. Teachers will be soft. There will be, a smart way of handling.
We are having all kinds of teachers.
Yeah, very courteous way of doing. So even we will be having the peculiarity here. It will be the peculiarity of a teacher. There will be peculiarity of a criminal. So our purpose would be served whether we are in position to capture that peculiarity, whether we are in position to capture gestures, whether we are in position to capture expressions, whether we are in position to capture faces from all angles, including यदि हम फेस के पीछे से को भी फेस कहें तो, because how you look from side, how you look from back, how you look from top, how you look from, so whatever जो है that way the feed is coming, if it is different and it is an additional attribute, system would try to have that also as information.
Yes, sir, but the images with which we will be matching the images in the database with which we are going to match the clip. Those images will be straight images, right? And the job is to
Basically,
find.
here you are having very heavy input, right?
Yeah,
Because the same person is being captured going like this way, that way. So you are
yeah.
having enough opportunity, your database to understand कि 360 degree इससे कैसे बनाए. So 360 degree will not be made in one go. It will be made in, say, 15 days time, maybe in 3 days time or 4 days time. That will depend
Several
upon the
different.
frequency of the movement of that person. अभी यहाँ पर जो है हाउ द डाटाबेस इज बिल्डिंग, हम उन लोगों का ज्यादा मूवमेंट करा देंगे, ज्यादा बार मूव करा देंगे, जानबूझ के वो कैमरे के साथ कई बार ऐसे घूम के निकलेगा, कभी ऐसे घूम के निकलेगा, कभी वैसे घूम के निकलेगा, कभी पीछे से निकलेगा, कभी जानबूझ के उसको दूसरे डायरेक्शन से घुमाएंगे. एंड आपको एज ए एवेल्युएटर ऐसा करना पड़ेगा. रादर ये सभी एवेल्युएटर को करना पड़ेगा कि जो व्हीकल को कैप्चर कर रहा है तो व्हीकल के सभी एंगल को कैप्चर करें. बिकॉज that is the richness of the database. Ultimately, जो कहते हैं 360 degree image, we have to create the 360 degree image by capturing images at the different date and time and intervals, right?
Yeah,
Because they are
fair
not
enough.
being captured in one go. It is a database building, and then that database would be used, right? Some images would be kept for some time as a important input. We will try to protect them with the date and time, but after some time, whenever we will give that now this image is not required, that will be discarded from the database. Because suppose a person is moving out from the his criminal cluster, and we could connect him with a crime. Then we can make a full story. He came out from his house at this time. He was in this vehicle. These were his associates. Then they used this path. There were that say 10 nodes or 10 cameras in between. So then the theory will say, okay, this was the normal speed, and then they are captured here and here, and then it will be linked with the crime, and then it will
Yeah,
be
so
returned in path also.
various things will be addressed. At that point of time, various things will be addressed, and
Correct.
from
So
various
it means
different
the
issues.
output. It means the output which you have gathered, then it will be used for asserting the identity when he is en route, whether he is closer to hotspot, and then the technology should be in position to identify that person when it is getting just a side view, just a view, and there will be another way of basically verifying it, because we know on what vehicle he is moving, we know the average speed of the vehicle. So we can say कि ये व्यक्ति जो थोड़ा सा टेक्नोलॉजी पहचान पा रही है, ये व्यक्ति अदरवाइज कैलकुलेशन के हिसाब से भी इतने बजे ही यहाँ पहुंचना चाहिए था. So that will be not only that face or photo alone, there will be additional attributes which would be available to corroborate our theory.
Yeah, that is a collaboration work that will be done after completion of all the projects, right?
All the projects.
Yeah.
That's correct. That's correct. Here, one thing we have to really understand that face and facial expression. This face will be most important part, because the face will be then linked to the database of a criminal, right?
Yeah.
So this has to be work most smartly, because फेस से ही फिर व्हीकल को आप रिलेट करोगे, फेस से ही आप जो है ना फिर क्लॉथ को करोगे. तो यदि फेस ही आपका ठीक नहीं होगा तो आप
यहाँ पे सही नहीं है तो everything will be predicted wrong.
Correct. So
yeah,
this was one point. Then I would like to stress on this service is a microservice, so it should be independent of the platform. Okay. There should be input module and kind of output module will go to the database. Input module should be designed in such a way that it can be adapted with the least trouble for any platform we want. So we can put it in a cloud computing space, we can put it in the front end, we can put it at the, anywhere, right? So that kind of the flexibility should be there. It will be talking or interaction will be API based because that's the only way to do it. Okay, and here we would like to basically then through the face we will be linking the other software, other problem statement, because from face we are going to cloths, and we have already given a detailed briefing for the cloths, because there we are interested in a little more details, because face is not going to change, but clothes will be changed. So frequency of use of the cloth, whether there is any relationship when he go and commit a particular crime, whether he is using a particular kind of things, whether he is putting a sofa or he is putting a rumal or something like that. So the challenges would be more when we are dealing with the other attributes, right? In face, there will be
Accuracy is
minimum
more important.
there could be
In
minimum
faith,
choices.
accuracy must is more important.
One is accuracy, and then even we can see कि जैसे मान लो गॉगल पहन रहा है, right? तो वो those kind of the things with along with the face, that will be treated as additional attribute of the face. So if you are wearing anything on face, that also need to be stored as an additional attribute.
Yeah. So that will be automatically done if we are having some images.
No, it will not be
that
automatically done. It will not be automatically done unless we are having that kind of vision.
Image.
Unless we are having that kind of the design, and the database has been planned that way.
Actually, the database has to be planned in that way, that we should have certain images in which they are wearing such kind of things.
Okay. So whatever the input, for the sake of evidence value, we will try to protect it with the date and time and location thing. Whether even when we are creating or using this sub parts, but one original input that will be protected as a with the date and time and location stamp, that we want to be a very standard methodology. Okay. So largely data would be flowing from, let me reiterate, it may come from the app of a volunteers. And when we say app of a volunteers, it may be app of a volunteer, it may be app of observer, it may be app of stakeholders. So data may be expected from there. Then another data set may come from the CCTV, and third data set may come from the IoT device. And as we will proceed, we will be having n number of the IoT devices, because one startup or a few startup they will be focusing of bringing more number of the IoT devices to fill the gap, so that those IoT devices could be smartly camouflaged, and we are in position to capture the details which otherwise in a normal course probably we may not be in position to capture. And,
Sir, are we going to, just one second, are we going to allow the students to have basic module already coded previously?
I did not get the question.
I mean, if the students are already done, or students have already done some coding, some part of the coding, I mean, previously,
I think from my side, there is no issue.
There's no issue,
if there's an issue from SIS side, so they have to handle. I am not testing their knowledge.
Yeah.
I want to mentor them for my solution, and I am not here to really. My attitude will be more of a mentoring attitude. How best we can really help them to create solution.
Okay.
We will be anyhow will be avoiding making a judgment. वो उन्होंने कहीं से पूछ के कहीं से कैसे भी करके if they could create a good solution for us, we are just not bothered. यदि उनके प्रोफेसर ने उनकी मदद कर दी है और उनका प्रोफेसर के कारण जो है ना they could do a good job, for me they are doing good job.
Okay, no problem, sir.
So basically it is more of a mentoring kind of attitude rather than judging them. We are happy if we could get a good product, even with the contribution of the related people of that group. So there may be the part contribution of the student, there may be part contribution of the faculty, there may be part contribution of the other friends. I'm just not bothered.
Okay.
And probably we do not want to look into that judgmental, because I am not taking examination. I am mentoring them and evaluating them for our solution, and we want a specific solution catering for the day we are visualizing. Because the way I am visualizing, it is having a lot of a part of a larger design. So it has to be done the way I am saying. It cannot be done by any other way, because if it is done by other way, it might serve the some purpose, but it will not serve the larger purpose for which it is being conceptualized. It has been conceptualized for some kind of a very large purpose. That
Yeah, I
large
got it.
So since you are already associated with various projects, so you understand that how I am thinking, what I am thinking. So I am not new to you. So I am very sure. And very soon we have to review those projects also. I think it is a high
Yeah,
time now.
definitely. Yeah,
After
definitely.
Smart India Hackathon, we will be taking the review of our project. And
Yeah,
now
sure.
I think students are also sufficiently motivated. I am very sure they will be doing good job.
Yeah, definitely, sir. Looking
Any
forward
other
to it.
question you would like to ask from me?
No, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay. So my expectation would be that your other two colleagues, they should also see our interaction. So
Yeah.
it should serve the same purpose. Rather, I would be happy if you can devise your evaluation strategies well in advance, and if they can be put in a form of a document in the same group, so that I can also get opportunity to have a look at that, right?
Yeah,
So that if
sure,
I
sir.
feel that some modification is required, I may contribute something in that. Number one.
Yeah, it is
I,
more than welcome.
time and again, I am really requesting HRD that the students, those who are competing, they should also be advised to see these videos, because these videos are available on Crime Free Bharat YouTube channel. So they can see it live anytime they want. And the advantage would be that even before starting of event, they will be already primed, and they will know how they are being, what is the concept like, which I have already explained to them. The way I have briefed evaluator, they will understand that also. So probably they will not be unfamiliar when they will be confronting us during the time of evaluation. There are 11 problem statement, one of the software and one is of the hardware. So all put together 12 problem statements are there. Now the Smart India Hackathon is being done for 11. So I will be hoping for all those 11 problem statement, and I am also joining for. I will be giving one leadership talk also. So I think we will be again together for that. I will be doing the inauguration from the stage, basically from your university, right? So I think there will be many more occasions when we will be interacting during this Smart India Hackathon, and I wish
Yeah.
you all the best. And
Thank you
I
so
am
much.
very sure collectively we will be doing a good job.
Yeah, sure. I'll try my best.
जी
Thank
जी
you, sir.
नमस्कार